Today we will start our new topic, that is opportunities for law graduates. This is very important topic for 6 marks question in your examination. So listen nicely, that opportunities for law graduate means after doing law degree, what was the aim behind to take the law degree? In in which field you can go after taking the law degree. So the question may be like this: the law is exciting and challenging profession. Law graduate in India have various opportunities open to them after their graduation. Explain this. Means law एक exciting or challenging profession है, but after taking the law degree or after taking your graduation, you can go in the law field by having a law degree, because you have to firstly do the 12th. Okay, firstly you have to complete 12th, then you have to take any graduation degree like BCom or anything else, then take a law degree, that to do the LLB. A law degree, in addition to a professional degree, is now considered to be a training to discipline which trains the mind to take analytical and communicate सिस्टमेटिकली, है ना. उसके बाद आपके सिस्टमेटिकली आप कैसे वर्क कर सकते हो? फर्स्टली यू हैव टू कंप्लीट आउट 12, देन यू टेक एनी ग्रेजुएशन डिग्री, देन यू हैव टू डू LLB, देन मास्टर इन लॉ. Okay, so after LLB only you can have the various opportunity in the law field. Following are some opportunities available to the law graduates, means when you have completed your LLB, but are certain courses I will tell you in the later topic, that certain opportunities were also there. After the 12th you can do this degree also in the law. So what was the to graduate after the law degree? You have the various opportunities like legal education in India. Means after taking a law degree, the education in India will be regulated by Bar Council of India. As we know that all the education degree will be conducted by the Bar Council of India. All the law degree, है ना, you can take the law degree according to the Bar Council of India. There are two ways to obtain the degree to practice as a law or advocate by the Bar Council. First way, 3-year LLB course program, means after undergraduate degree, after being graduate आप ले लो कोई भी degree graduation की, then you can do the LLB. Other way you can do the LLB like 5-year course, integrated course are there. After doing the 12th you can go through the BA LLB. ओके, बैचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स प्लस LLB कर सकते हो, BBA कर सकते हो विथ LLB, BSc. दिस विल बी अ 5-year कोर्स, मीन्स आपका 1 ईयर सेव हो जाएगा. नहीं तो अदरवाइज यू हैव टू डू 3 years LLB डिग्री एंड 3 years ग्रेजुएशन डिग्री. सो 1 कोर्स विल बी लॉन्च बाय द BCI ने और भी कोर्सेज लॉन्च किए हैं, that is BA LLB, BBA LLB or BSc LLB program, which commences immediately after the secondary school. After passing the 12th class you can do this degree. Some university offer both the 5 years and 3 years program, degree programs. Some universities like Rani Durgavati University offers you that LLB degree 3 years programs भी देता है या 5-year programs भी देता है. But there are over 900 law colleges in India. We are having 900 law colleges. However, not much match up of the standard required by challenging and increasing competitive legal market में ये sufficient नहीं है, because law की position बहुत increase हो रही है, बहुत demand में है. So these colleges were not sufficient in India. First law college, this is your MCQ question maybe there, that in 1987 the first national law college school will be organized in as National Law School of India University, first university which was there in by which you can do the law, set up in Bangalore, and it established marked the beginning of the legal education in India. First beginning legal education was started at Bangalore. Then there was 17 national law colleges. There was a 22 national law colleges in India now planned. 14 of these now common entrance exam देना पड़ता है. Then you can take the admission in this law colleges. What was this? Like CLAT, है ना. After in the 12th class only you can do the CLAT. CLAT लेंगे then आपको 14 national law colleges हैं, you can take the admission in that. सब अपने अपने exam conduct कराते हैं ना. तो CLAT means common law admission test, in which you can having the 5 posts, but this pattern will be changed out now. You can see it in the net. The CLAT portion will be changed out. Logical reasoning, legal reasoning of English and comparison, legal knowledge, general knowledge will be topics are held in the CLAT. When you will clear out the sentence exam, then you take the admission for the LLB in the national law colleges, है ना. Preparatory institution having the different entrance examination like law school territorial entrance examination is held in Delhi. ऑल इंडिया लॉ एंट्रेंस टेस्ट विल बी हेल्ड एट दिल्ली में. आपको दिल्ली में अगर एडमिशन चाहिए नेशनल कॉलेज में तो आपको ये एलिट देना पड़ेगा. अगर इफ़ यू वांट टू डू नेशनल, इंडिया हैज़ अडॉप्टेड द लॉ स्कूल एडमिशन टेस्ट कंडक्टेड बाय द लॉ स्कूल एडमिशन काउंसिल इन यूएसए में अगर एडमिशन चाहिए तो यू हैव टू पास आउट दिस लॉ डिग्री एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन. So some other institution conducted their own separate entrance test. Means other type के institution जो भी हैं वो अपने अपने टाइप के एग्जामिनेशन कंडक्ट कराती है एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन. देन यू कैन डायरेक्टली गो टू टेक द एडमिशन इन द नेशनल लॉ कॉलेजेस. क्लियर? सो दिस आर द courses which was introduced by the law colleges, national law colleges. एंट्रेंस एग्जाम को देना होगा. देन यू कैन टेक द एडमिशन फॉर 3-year कोर्स और 5-year कोर्स. ये आपके ऊपर है कि आपको किस ईयर का कोर्स करना है. ओके, देयर आर वेरियस फील्ड विच इज़ गिवन इन द बुक दैट आफ्टर डूइंग द लॉ यू कैन गो थ्रू द लिटिगेशन. लाइक यू कैन बिकम एन एडवोकेट. लॉ फॉर्म में आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्टली इट वॉज गिवन दैट यू कैन डू द लॉ प्रैक्टिस इन द लीगल फॉर्म. गो थ्रू द कॉर्पोरेट सेक्टर में भी जा सकते हैं. पब्लिक पॉलिसीज़ प्रोग्राम्स में भी जा सकते हैं. लीगल रिसर्च एकेडमिया मीन्स लाइक टीचिंग जो मैं कर रही हूँ उस पर भी आप कर सकते हैं. NGOs में भी आप अपॉइंट हो सकते हैं आफ्टर डूइंग द लॉ. देन नेक्स्टली इट वाज गिवन गवर्नमेंट इंस्टीट्यूशन. फर्दर स्टडीज़ के लिए कर सकते हैं जुडिशियल लाइक सिविल जज और आपके ADPO एग्ज़ाम्स होते हैं उसमें आप एंट्रेंस एग्ज़ाम के थ्रू आप पास आउट हो सकते हैं. And other avenue, other opportunities is also available after doing the law. In detail we will discuss it in the next video. Okay.